Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Yaris headlight. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood. Locate the headlight assembly and remove the plastic cover or screws holding it in place. Gently unplug the headlight wiring harness, then release the bulb retaining clip. Handle the new bulb by the base, install it carefully, plug the harness back in, and test the light. Begin by turning the steering wheel for better access and locating mounting screws on the headlight. Remove screws or clips slowly, keeping them in a safe place so they do not get lost. Reach behind the assembly and feel for the wiring harness connector, then press the tab and pull straight out. Release the retaining spring or twist the bulb counterclockwise depending on your model, and carefully remove the old bulb without touching the glass. Handle the new bulb by its base and verify it matches the removed bulb before installation. Insert it straight into the socket, secure the retaining clip or twist to lock it, and ensure the alignment tabs engage properly. Reconnect the wiring harness with a firm push until it clicks, then reattach the headlight assembly and tighten screws or clips evenly. Close the hood and test the headlight to confirm proper operation and beam alignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.